Welcome to the Kekuk Tech's latest jailbreak news coverage. Today, we'll be discussing an exciting development that could lead to new possibilities for iOS users. Just a few days ago, developer at A12 released a significant open source project, the KFD project, in the Jailbreak community. This project includes two major kernel vulnerabilities that are compatible with iOS 15.0 up to iOS 16.5, along with their appropriate exploits and write-ups for those interested in iOS security research. For jailbreak enthusiasts, this release is a game changer as it brings a critical piece of the puzzle for the next jailbreak tool. If you're running iOS 15.0 up to iOS 16.5, or even iOS 16.6 Beta 1, you might soon be able to enjoy a jailbreak, thanks to this exciting release. However, it's worth noting that the kernel exploits alone are not sufficient for a full jailbreak. Nonetheless, the dedicated community is hard at work, actively working on a PPL, Platform Processors Limited, bypass. Once that hurdle is overcome, a complete jailbreak solution should become achievable. Now, let's delve into an intriguing new development called Mandela Pro, a fork of the well-known Cowabunga application. Some of you may recall Cowabunga, which leveraged the McDirtyCow exploit to offer tweaking and theming capabilities for iOS 14.0 up to iOS 16.1.2 on all devices. Unfortunately, with the release of iOS 16.2, Cowabunga was patched. Cowabunga stood out for its elegant design and functionality, allowing users to customize their home screen icons, sounds, fonts, notification banner colors, passcode keys, carrier names, and much more, all without the need to jailbreak their devices. Additionally, it was praised for avoiding jailbreak detection by applications, further enhancing the user experience. Now, developers at SourceLocation and at Bomberfish77 have embarked on an exciting journey to create Mandela Pro, a Cowabunga fork tailored for iOS 16.2 up to iOS 16.5 and iOS 16.6 Beta 1, compatible with all devices, including the latest iPhone 14 and iPhone 13 models. The key to making Mandela Pro possible lies in leveraging the KFD exploit previously released by A12. This exploit, along with a fork enabling file overwrites on the device, paves the way for the Cowabunga experience on iOS 16.2 and newer versions. This presents a fantastic opportunity for users to enjoy Cowabunga's array of tweaks and themes while they await the availability of a full jailbreak. It's essential to clarify that Cowabunga and Mandela Pro are not full jailbreaks. Instead, they utilize a jailbreak exploit to modify the device's user interface and other elements. Although they may not offer the same extensive capabilities as traditional jailbreaks, they come with some unique advantages worth considering. One significant advantage of using Cowabunga or Mandela Pro is that apps installed from the App Store don't perceive them as jailbroken devices. As a result, users won't encounter complaints or jailbreak detection issues, which can be a major concern for many jailbreak enthusiasts. In conclusion, the jailbreak community is abuzz with excitement following the release of the KFD project and the promising development of Mandela Pro. While it may not be a full jailbreak solution, Mandela Pro offers a way for iOS 16.2 and newer users to experience the charm of Cowabunga's tweaks and themes. As we eagerly await further progress, it's clear that the innovative spirit of developers continues to drive new possibilities in the world of iOS customization. Stay tuned for more updates on this exciting journey.